3 best diet food. First, quinoa. Quinoa is a grain that is often considered a superfood due to its high nutrient content. It is a good source of protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and iron. It is also gluten-free, making it a popular choice for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. Quinoa can be eaten as a side dish, added to salads, or used as a substitute for rice in many dishes. It is also considered a good alternative for vegetarians and vegans as a source of plant-based protein. Second, steamed vegetables. Steaming vegetables is a healthy and easy way to cook them. Steaming helps to preserve the nutrients and flavor of the vegetables, as well as their bright colors. It is a method that is quick and easy to do, as it only requires a steaming basket or a colander placed over a pot of boiling water. Some common vegetables that are often steamed include broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, green beans, and asparagus. Steamed vegetables can be eaten as a side dish or added to other dishes such as soups, stews, or stir-fries. It's also a good way to retain the texture of the vegetables, making them crunchy and fresh. Third, grilled chicken breast. Grilled chicken breast is a popular and healthy option for a protein-rich meal. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein, which means it is low in fat and calories, but high in nutrients like vitamin B6 and B12, phosphorus, and niacin. Grilling chicken breast is a healthy cooking method because it helps to reduce the amount of fat in the meat and can also add a nice flavor and texture. When grilling chicken breast, it's important to use a marinade or seasoning to add flavor and to avoid overcooking it. Overcooking can dry out the meat and make it less tender. Grilled chicken breast can be eaten as a main dish or added to salads, sandwiches, and other dishes. It can also be combined with other healthy foods like vegetables, whole grains, and legumes to create a balanced and nutritious meal. For more such videos and food content, subscribe to our channel Girlysh.